Today's exhibit is a summary, if you will, and a showcase of the work done over the semester.
The students wanted to deal with smart architecture, meaning that architecture that could sense, feel, and react or adapt to environments, to human users, etc.
So it started with just playing with Lego robotics and figuring out how you can program and how you can make objects that can think for themselves rather than just sort of automation. Further investigations were more on how can humans interact with our built environment.
We call this a self-organizing studio. What that means is the students are taking greater responsibility and leadership role in being in charge of their own learning. We have about 13 students, and the entire process of the studio is also an experiment. The studio came together and generated a series of projects out of their interest. And these are a lot of these are original inventions. So there's a number of collaborative authorship and ownership of these kinds of things.
This is Reflex. It's an early prototype. And what this does, using muscle wire and light sensors, this is essentially moving towards light or away from darkness.
They are, in fact, the primary authors of a number of these initiatives, and the projects happen as a byproduct, if you will. There is one project called Arcus Animus, and it is an installation that perhaps very aptly summarizes a number of things that have happened. It is a ceiling and a surface that responds, and it's an intelligent being. So we have learned a lot about how can architectural elements respond to people and to environment.
We kind of know what people foresee this future being, and we're kind of readdressing, is this the right direction?
We are faced with challenges that are unprecedented. That demands that we educate our next generation differently, and the process of coming together collaboratively into learning communities that have no boundaries is the most important thing that can happen. A number of things will come out of it that will then help us address the challenges for perhaps the next century.